Here we are in Antarctica, on the compact ice where the emperor penguin spends much of its life. These penguins breed on the ice and feed in the oceans, and do not migrate like other birds. The emperor penguin is the tallest penguin species, with an average height of 4 feet, and they can grow up to weigh about 88 pounds. However, they are flightless. Emperor penguins are birds and part of the class Aves. Their scientific name is Aptenodytes forsteri. These penguins evolved from flying birds, and their closest relative is the king penguin. However, the king penguin is not as tall as the emperor. The appearance of the emperor penguin helps protect it. They have black feathers in the back, white feathers in the front, and a yellow patch toward their neck. The black and white colors are helpful in camouflaging with the dark colors of the deep ocean where the penguins catch their food. If you look closely, you can see that they have webbed feet, which help them move faster when swimming, but are pretty useless for walking on land. Which is why they often slide on their bellies and use their feet and flippers to steer themselves. You can also see that their legs are located far back on their body, so when they do walk, they can stand upright. Despite this adaptation, they are still very clumsy on land. The emperor penguin is a carnivore, feeding on mainly fish and crustaceans, especially krill. Their rough tongue allows them to catch slippery fish. They catch their prey in the surrounding oceans by underwater flying, which is rapid locomotion in the water where they use their flippers for propulsion. Emperor penguins are very social animals that huddle together for warmth. We can see this colony, or group of penguins, rotating their positions in the circle to make sure each penguin gets a chance to be on the inside. Emperor penguins remain faithful to their mate for life and use vocal calls to find each other. They breed each year in the winter months. The female will lay 1 egg from May to June, and then the male takes the egg and rests it on its feet so it doesn't touch the frozen ground. Then the female will leave to collect food for 2 months, and she returns around the same time the egg hatches. To feed the new chick, the parents take turns catching food and regurgitating it in the chick's mouth in the form of a fishy paste. The emperor penguin has adapted in many ways. Their streamlined bodies allow them to escape their predators quickly. These predators include killer whales, sharks, seals, sea lions, and leopard seals. However, all of the predators live in the water, so they do not need to defend themselves on land. They also have several layers of feathers so they can survive the freezing and strong winds. Their main form of attack is swimming to chase their prey. Unfortunately, with climate change and rising temperature, sea ice is melting and the emperor penguin is losing its place to breed and access food, causing their populations to decrease. One last interesting fact about the emperor penguin is that scientists have observed that in order to test the water and check for predators, the colony will push one penguin in the water and see if it comes out alive.